Hey guys, what's up? It's Boy again. If you like this video, make sure you click to subscribe. I'm going to show you how to use Arma 2 jets inside of Arma 3. Okay, so here we go. You want to navigate to My Computer, your C drive, D drive, Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common. Once you find the Steam Apps Common folder, you're going to open that up and you'll see I have Arma 2 installed in Arma 3. What you want to do is you're going to open up your Arma 2 folder. You're going to highlight this add-ons folder and you're going to copy it. Do not drag and drop. You want to copy and paste this folder. Okay, so after you copy this, what you want to do is you're going to go back, open up Arma 3, and you're going to make a folder right here called, see, I'll delete this one that I already have made. I'll show you. So you come over here, new folder, you name it at Arma 3, enter, and then what you're going to do is you are going to paste that add-ons folder that you copied in the Arma 2 folder right in here. And then what you want to do is see this as the add-on folder inside of the Arma 2 that you're going to copy and paste into the folder that you made inside of Arma 3, which is right here. And then what you want to do is open up the add-ons folder, and inside of the add-ons folder there's 3 files that you want to delete in here. They're called editor, and it's in alphabetical order. So the editor, PBO, these 3 editor files, highlight them all, delete them. You don't need them. So then what you end up with is, okay, where are we? In Arma 3, you'll end up with the add-ons folder in there and with those 3 files deleted. Okay, so now then what you want to do is launch your Arma game. Okay, so now you have all that stuff copied. Launch Arma, go into Configure, Expansions, and then you want to make sure you have the folder right here. See, that's the one we created at Arma 3. Make sure that's checked off, and make sure regular Arma 3 is checked off. And then when you OK it, it'll ask you if you want to restart the game to apply changes. Go ahead and do Restart Now. Okay, so we got everything loaded up. This is just to show you that the Arma 2 planes are working in Arma 3 by following this video. I'm going to show you here. As you can tell, we got the hover jet. And I ported over. By doing this too, you can use all the vehicles. I'm going to show you that everything works here too. Whoa. So I threw some more of the planes. As you can tell, here's the A110 Warthog. And all these planes work. Sheep. Playable as sheep, chicken, cow, dog, goat. Frag out. Oh. Don't let the cows steal your planes.